Yeah, peeps, once again, good morning or good night or good afternoon, wherever you are. Welcome back to the Wise Choice channel. So Mr. Wise Choice himself. Yeah, peeps, today I'll be doing a little ginger beer or ginger drink, and you want to call it. Yeah, so I got my ginger here, all washed up. Yeah, I use with the skin on it because the skin has a lot of nutrients, vitamins and things, but I make sure I wash it properly. Yeah, so this is like about 2 pounds of ginger. I have my brown sugar here and 4 limes. Yeah, so I'll be doing blending in my Ninja here. One of the baddest blender you can have, the Ninja. This guy is a bad guy, real good, real good. Chop up anything, blend anything. Yeah, peeps, so I'll be doing a ginger beer, ginger drink, so just check it out as we go along. Yeah, peeps. Just keep on watching. Yeah, peeps. Back again. Yeah, so I have all my ginger packed in my Ninja. Yeah, so I'll be adding in some bottled water. And as I said, you know, you can blend as much ginger you want. You can blend 3 pounds, 4 pounds. It's just the amount that you need or the amount that you want, you know. So I'm basically just doing roughly 2 pounds, maybe 2.5 pounds of ginger. So I'll just top this up with my block of water. Put on my cover. Yeah. My pour. Start to blend. Yeah, peeps, just like that. And I tell you about the Ninja, boy, I tell you. Baddest blender you can really have in your kitchen, you know. Yeah, man, this blend everything, chop up anything, peeps. Yeah, so what I'll be doing after this now, I'll be straining this off. I'll be straining it off, and sometimes when I strain it off, the trash that is left back from the blended ginger, sometimes I add some more water on it again and blend it out some more and extract some more of that ginger juice in it. But you will see as we go along, peeps. Okay? Alright, just keep on watching. Yeah, peeps. So I reached the point of straining now. This is how we do it, peeps. Squeeze out all of the liquids out of it into the bowl. Yeah, peeps. So this is what I'm going to do with this trash, you know, peeps. I'm going to put this back in the blender again, add some more water and blend it out again. This ginger is very strong, and you know, you're having a ginger beer, ginger drink. You need it strong. Get that harsh. Ginger is very good for your stomach, bad feeling. Yeah, man, you just drink some ginger. And it should make your stomach and you feel a whole lot better. Yeah, peeps, so I'm going to be adding this back into the Ninja again. Add some more water and blend it out again. So check it out. Yeah, peeps, so I've re-added back, as I said, that trash that was already blended, adding in some more water again to it. Some more purified bottled water. Yeah, because it was the best water that we can, you know. Yeah, peeps. We'll top that up back again. Back on. Fastest speed 3. Yeah, peeps, so I'm going to do the same process. Strain it off. And then basically, what is left, the trash, you can throw it away. And if you know to bacon also, you can use the trash make ginger cookies or ginger bun or ginger cake, whatever flavor you want. You know, you can just use, instead of throwing it away, maybe you can use it to bake something or to cook something, or you know. Yeah, man. So, but I'll be throwing it away after this strain, peeps. So check it out when I am everything is in the bowl and I am putting in the rest of the ingredients to make the ginger drink, ginger beer. So let's keep on watching, peeps. Yeah, peeps. So see it here now. Come on. See the liquid from the ginger. So the next process now. I have 4 limes here. We'll be squeezing the lime juice. And these limes are all washed properly and cleaned up properly. So I'll drop the limes them inside there. These limes don't really big, but they do have a lot of juice in them. Try to wash up everything properly to make everything clean. Yeah. So I just believe in the limes them in there while I mixing it in with the sugar. So some of these limes though don't really have much. Yeah, peeps. So we'll do it. So I'll be adding in my brown sugar now. And you add your brown sugar to your sense of sweetness, to whatever you like. You don't like it too sweet, you don't add too much sugar. Yeah, peeps, so this is basically the process of making the ginger drink. Looking quite simple. Quite simple and straightforward. I think anybody supposed to can do this. But this is all Mr. Wise Choice do. Yeah man, this is how Mr. Wise Choice do his things. Yeah peeps, so as I say, just mix this in until you get your sense of sweetness. Ginger is very strong. The lime just put an added flavor to it. And you know your water and the sugar. You see the blending process. That's basically it peeps. Nothing difficult, straightforward, but I'm telling you it's quite nice. Especially with some ice. Yeah, real nice peeps. Yeah peeps, so when I'm throw out a cup with some ice and let you see. Yeah peeps, all finished now. Yeah man, all finished. Mixed out to the sweetness that I personally think is good, but everybody have their different sense of taste. Yeah, so I'll be getting some in a little glass here now. Yeah peeps, nice with some ice. Very nice with ice peeps. Yeah man, so take a taste now. Nice. So delicious peeps. So refreshing. Yeah peeps, just like that. So that's the process. That's how we make a ginger beer, ginger drink. Very good for you. And a very refreshing drink. So peeps, thanks for watching once again. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Please leave a comment. Please hit the notification bell for all videos. And once again, thanks for watching Wise Choice channel. Thanks to all my subscribers. Really appreciate, you know, we are trying to grow the channel and try to bring you good content. So I'll be bottling this out now peeps. Get rid of the lime and bottling it out and put it up in the fridge. Yeah peeps, so once again, thanks for watching. God bless you all.